Hello everyone, my name is Lynn Summers and I am a master food preserver as well as a master gardener with the County of San Bernardino. I am inviting everyone to come down for a free class this Saturday right here across the street from City Hall, which is Rialto and Palm, right on the corner from 9 until noon. We're going to be teaching about seed starting as well as meat curing. One of the best things that we're going to be doing is teaching you how to go home and start your own garden. You'll be able to read the packets of your seeds. You'll know exactly what's going on within your climate to make sure that you're able to get the ultimate growing season this year. Come out and have some fun, and again, it's free classes. Bring your family. We also teach kids. It's just one of those things that is so important, so please come out and meet with us this Saturday from 9 until noon. Thank you.